Hey everyone, it's me Keerthi. So today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro along with the power adapter and MagSafe charger. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro and this is the graphite one with 128 gigabytes, and this is for my dad because he's been using the iPhone SE for so many years and he thought to make an upgrade to the iPhone 13 Pro. So we bought this, and along with this we also bought the USB-C power adapter and the MagSafe charger. So as we all knew that the Apple has redesigned the packages of the iPhone boxes by eliminating the plastic wrap around it. So now we have two tabs, one on the top and one on the bottom. So let's start peeling it off. Okay guys, so now it's time for the reveal. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Okay guys, let's keep it safe here. So here we have the charger and the manual, which we usually ignore them. They have the SIM tool, I don't know, that's how you call it, and the manual, and my favorite thing is the Apple sticker. So let's put it back. Gosh, this is amazing. Look at the camera. It's amazing. Look at the camera. Oh, guys, I'm so excited. And okay, so let's talk about this iPhone later, and let's get back, or let's get started with the power adapter first. So now let's turn off the tab. Let's peel it off. Okay, so we have the power adapter here, and we also have the manual. I guess this is the manual for the power adapter, and yeah, so we have the usual manual, and yes, we got the power adapter, and now it's time to unbox the MagSafe. Let's get into this one too. Okay, let's put it up. So let's start with this too. So talking about this phone,